What dual-run capacitor do I need for a Copeland ZR34K1-PFV-230? It's installed on a Rheem Raka 036 Jazz. https://inger.com/a/plqhh20.
I will be happy to look this up. Give me just a minute. You may be presented an offer for a phone call for an additional fee. Please ignore offer for phone call as I am unable to take a call right now, but we can work here as long as needed. The offer is automatically site generated. The OEM part number for the condensing unit shows 4326,261.05, which is a 35/3. http://www.northamericafats.com/4323204054326266105 Rheem Road Weather King 35.3 UF MFD 440 volt capacitor by Climatech/ let me check compressor specs. If compressor is OEM, the 35/3 should be correct. I would test the cap as these things are imported from Mexico or China and don't last long. Thanks for allowing me to work with you. Bonus always appreciated as this is how I earn my living. After rating, feel free to follow up for next 30 days at no additional fee. Thanks again.
Thanks for verifying. I guess I just got a bad capacitor. It was a ProTech brand and only lasted about 3 weeks. Are there any particular brands or types I should try instead, or was I just unlucky?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.